vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract, baking soda, brown sugar, butter, eggs, chocolate chips, sugar, and the flour, and a tray and the mixer. First step is my mom preheated the oven to 700 degrees.
375 degrees.
375 degrees. First I put 2 sticks of softened butter in the bowl.
Can we see the softened butter in the bowl? Awesome. Okay, what's the next step?
Now the next step is we have to put 3 scoops of sugar into the bowl.
Okay, so we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
We need 3 cups of a quarter sugar. Is this enough?
Yep, that's 1 scoop. Okay, we need 2 more scoops.
Stop. 1 more scoop. Mommy. My brother is gonna help me do the brown sugar into the bowl.
How much brown sugar, Lucy?
We need 3/4 of
Did you already get some on the first scoop? Okay. All right.
The last ingredient for now is vanilla extract. My brother's gonna help me again.
How much vanilla extract, Lucy? 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's way too strong to eat. Guys, so do not drink this. Do not drink this. Bobby. Way too strong to smell. Now I'm gonna start the mixer. Guys, it's kind of loud. Now we're going to mix in the dry ingredients. So we need 2 of this one, 1 of this one.
2½ cups of flour.
2½ cups of flour.
All right, is that 2½ cups of flour?
We're just gonna add in the baking soda, then we're gonna add in some salt.
How much baking soda are we gonna add in?
I don't know.
1 teaspoon.
We're gonna add in a teaspoon of baking soda, then we're gonna add
A 1/2 teaspoon.
a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, add the baking soda first. So that's 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. And then we need your brother to help you get 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Mommy! You pour it in the spoon and then Howie's making cookies for you.
Okay, now we're gonna add in the 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Now
Dump it in, Lulu. Good job.
let's go to our video, baby. Now!
Jamie.
Now!
Lucy is mixing up all the dry ingredients.
And my little sister is going to be in the video. We just
gonna add 2 eggs into the wet ingredients.
Please.
1 egg. Thank you. That's 2 eggs.
Now we're gonna slowly add in the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add in the last and best ingredient, the chocolate chips.
How much chocolate chips, Lucy? How much? 2 cups?
2 cups.
2 cups of chocolate chips.
2 cups of chocolate chips. Watch me now.
Let me help you.
Hang on.
That's 1 cup.
Oh, I need a.
Okay, dump those ones in. Alright, now we're gonna start the mixer again.
Now we're going to put on the tray some cooking spray so that our cookie dough doesn't stick on the tray.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, too close, too close. Spray it from here, let Mom see it. I'll show you. I'm gonna spray it from a distance like this. Just get a little light dusting on the tray.
I wish I could have some of the cookie dough.
No, it'll give you salmonella.
Now we're going to put the cookie dough on the tray. I'm going to get a half a spoonful and roll it into little balls and put them on the tray. Let's get started.
Okay, go ahead.
Is this too much?
No, that's okay. Make it into a little ball. Okay, put it on the tray. You don't have to make it. Do some more.
The first batch is ready for my mom to put in the oven
At 375.
at 375.
For how long? 20 minutes?
20 minutes. We learned from our first batch that 20 minutes is too long. For this batch, my mom is gonna bake them for 12 minutes, not 20. We found out that the magic number was 13. Look at all
13 minutes.
Baby.
You say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, but look at these prize